What's up, guys? Welcome to GoGo Motoring YouTube channel. So today's video, I'm going to show you the issue that I'm having with one of my halo light bulbs. So here's what happens when I turn the car on. When I turn the car on, this icon pops up, the light bulb icon. To figure out what that is, I think I just hold the this button. Well, go to check control. Okay, and then hold this button right here, BC, until an error code pops up. And the error code that you get is CCID 379. CCID 379. So basically what that code stands for is that the light bulb on the passenger side, right-hand side halo light has gone out, and therefore I don't have the halo lights on that right-hand side, while the ones on the left-hand side are on because the light bulb is still working. It's not as noticeable as it is like if your headlights are on, like you don't see it as much, the fact that the halo on the right-hand side is not working. But if you don't have your headlights on and you're just in daytime running lights mode, it's pretty obvious that the right side of the car doesn't have the halo lights on there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and make a series of videos, or another video rather, showing you how to fix that issue without having to take the car to a dealer. You know, oftentimes dealer will tell you, well, you need a brand new unit, or you need to remove, you know, the wheel to access the headlight. There's a much simpler and cheaper way to get that issue resolved. And as soon as the light bulbs come, I will go ahead and get that video posted showing you how to replace it. Thanks.